Hi, I'm Chef Randle here with BC Egg. Today we're keeping things light, fluffy, and full of flavor. Cloud bread topped with roasted vegetables and a beet hummus. For the cloud bread, we're going to start off with our fresh BC eggs, a little cream of tartar, zero fat Greek yogurt, sesame seeds, roasted vegetables, your choice, whatever is seasonal. And then for the beet hummus, chickpeas, roasted beets, tahini, minced garlic, 2 lemons, olive oil, and salt. All right, so for our cloud bread, we'll get started, of course, with our main ingredient, our local BC egg. So we're gonna separate the eggs into whites and yolks. Being so careful not to get any of that yolk inside the egg white, or else our whites won't whip to our stiff peaks like we need them to. So we're gonna put our egg yolks aside for now. So we're gonna whip our whites so they get a little bit of frothy, and then we're gonna go in with our cream of tartar. So cream of tartar is a byproduct of the wine making process, and it's an acid, so it's gonna stabilize our egg whites even more. Starts to get frothy, in goes our cream of tartar. And now we're just gonna whisk until we have stiff peaks. All right, there we have it. Nice stiff peaks, ready to go. We'll put those aside. We'll go ahead and grab our egg yolks that we reserved. So to this vegetarian dish, we're going to amp it up a little bit with some extra protein using our no-fat Greek yogurt. Let's get that inside. So what we're trying here to do is just kind of mimic like a hamburger bun that we can enjoy and still keep our resolutions. Whisk those together. All right, so now we'll take about a third of our whites into the yolk. Give it a little mix. From here, we're gonna get our egg yolk mixture into our whites. And now we wanna be concerned with keeping as much of that air as possible. Here, the eggs are gonna give us that structure we would usually take from flour. It's gonna bind it all together and give us something to hold on to all those vegetables. So fold, fold, fold. Taking your time, cutting through the center, preserving as much of that built up air as possible in the whites. And the color is fantastic, right? We got some nice local free run eggs, and that's it. And don't overmix it. Once it's combined, you're done. So you've got pretty good volume still. We'll scrape on the sides. I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. I've got a prepared cookie sheet. So because we're gonna make this into a sandwich, we want both sides to be somewhat the same. So what I like to do is just take some kind of a mold, dip it into our mixture there, and just make a little template. Just like that. Just dab it, that gives us something to work with. So from here, I'll take a scoop, but you can use a tablespoon, whatever you like. And I'll put 1 scoop right in the center. 1 scoop. From here, I've got a little palette knife or an offset spatula. I'm gonna gently move from the center to fit that mold. Try not to push it down, a nice circle. This will be a flavorful sandwich that's guilt-free. Thanks to the magic of those BC eggs, it's gonna give us a perfect structure. And because we're trying to mimic a bit of a bun, I've got some sesame seeds right on top. This is gonna provide just a little bit of crunch, a little bit of texture, and of course that nice toasted sesame seed flavor. In the oven, 350 degrees, 25-30 minutes until nice and brown and set. While our cloud bread is in the oven, we'll go ahead and make our roasted beet hummus. Our chickpeas, right inside. We've got a couple cloves of garlic. We're gonna do the zest and the juice of 2 lemons. So the zest is gonna add just a nice richness to it, a real lemon kick. And then of course the juice will add not only that lemon flavor, but a great acid to really bring it all together. Then to finish this off, of course we'll add our tahini, which is just pureed sesame seeds, a little bit of salt, and we'll finish off with our local roasted beets, and of course a good portion of olive oil. Again, pull out your good olive oil for this one. Put on the lid, we'll blitz it up, then we'll adjust the seasoning. Fantastic. All right. We'll pop this off. We'll give it a taste and we'll adjust the seasoning. Nice and thick. Acidic. One more seasoning. One more little blast. Beautiful. We'll pull this out, put this into a bowl. Our cloud bread will finish, and we'll go ahead and assemble our vegetarian sandwiches. Okay, timer's up. Let's go grab the cloud bread from the oven, and we'll assemble. All right, they're perfect. The eggs have set. We're gonna let these sit for about 15 minutes to cool completely, and then we'll go ahead and assemble these amazing vegetarian sandwiches. So our cloud breads have completely cooled. Time to assemble. We'll grab one, upside down. Take a little bit of our beautiful roasted beet hummus, pack with flavor right on top. And we'll start piling things on. Some roasted eggplant, a few roasted tomatoes, some roasted zucchini, roasted red onion. Top it off with some of our bell peppers. Take another one. We can even smear a little extra of that hummus right on top. So, and then go ahead and top it right off. Light, fluffy, and packed with goodness. Try it your way and make every bite better with BC Egg.